It's the life for love I owe to my family. And no matter where my rhythm takes me, by my side, yes, there will always be. And now a chance to be among my idols, to share my passion, to win the crowd of thousands, to love with, to belong, to touch more hearts, to share my song. Here I am before you all. Hear me now. Finally I'm home. This stage and I, we're inseparable. I'm singing my song. Ba ba da ba.